5 years there. Just like, I don't know, just deal with it.
Turn a blind eye.
Yeah,
A lot of things.
that's just.
Management's great.
I got in. I had one of our managers, Del Soups.
Okay.
We had 3 Del Soups.
Camping tires or whatever.
Yeah.
Thing, never takes a lot of
The one was an ex-driver.
Oh, okay.
So he went in to kind of try to help the driver. So we're good friends. So we have a group chat with like me, 3 other, and then him in it. And he bitches about everything. So we're not that.
Yeah, see that.
Yeah, she wears it all the time. Yeah. Yeah, I had my hat on last 2 days. There's some will be close for the big one. Good little walking around. We're gonna have Ron coming up.
My assistant, my paralegal needs to have
So everybody's getting cut down.
Yeah, I'm 4 day a week. I run Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Saturday.